Historic cheeses of Italy is in the family of what we call pasta filata. Pasta meaning an unfinished paste, and filata is when we're working something in sort of like a cafe-like consistency. The freshest of all pasta filata is mozzarella di bufala, or fior di latte. Fior di latte is cow's milk mozzarella. It's what Di Paolo's makes every day. It should be dripping with the natural butter fat and richness of the milk. Cacio cavallo. Cacio meaning cheese, horse. Cavallo, horse, cacio, cheese. And why is it called that? Well, it's not made from horse milk. It's made from cow's milk, and it's usually aged over what we call a sawhorse or a carpenter's horse. And notice the little knobs on top represents the old harnesses that went around the horse's neck. This one here is from Puglia, and it's called Caciocavallo Silano. And we also have what we call Caciocavallo Ragusano, which is a square cheese, also aged over a horse, and made from the milk of a very specific cow, the Modicana Rossa. Caciocavallo could be aged naturally or could be aged in a grotto, in a cave. Provolone. Provolone has its traditions in and around the area of Campania, along the Amalfi Coast, Mount Vesuvius. This is a famous area where provolone was first made. Today, most of the production is made up north, but we still have some small producers like Provolone del Monaco, which still produces the cheese. All these cheeses are handmade, and a lot of people don't realize that provolone, not only after it's made, it's left to age for many, many months, sometimes years. You can see it comes all shapes and sizes. We even make it in a campanella, a bell. This is traditional at Christmas time. We like to always offer the campanella. And the traditional shape is what we call a salami. The salami is the long one. And you're going to see some sfoglia, little leaves, little cracks in the cheese. It starts off with little pinholes, and then it sort of expands to little cracks. That's an indication that the cheese now has developed. This one here is aged for 30 months. When we cut these cheeses, it tears. We call the lacrima comes out of it. It's the natural butter fat of the cheese, just like you saw in the fresh fior di latte. That milky consistency came out. And now you can see this foglia, right? And a little bit of moisture that's coming out of the cheese as well. Very sharp. It has a little pizzica, a little pinch on the tip of your tongue. Provolone, Caciocavallo, Scamorza, fior di latte, and of course, mozzarella di bufala, the family of pasta filata.